Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log in to TikTok website using a QR code from the TikTok app. So this method is helpful because you can access your without manually entering your email, phone number, or password. So first, open up a web browser on your computer or laptop and go to tiktok.com. So once the website loads, click the login button and then you can select the option on the left side or the button in the top right corner. So a login window will appear with several sign-in methods. So select use QR code and then a QR code will now be displayed on your computer screen. Next, open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android phone and make sure you are already signed into the TikTok account that you want to use. And then tap profile at the bottom of the screen, then select share profile. And then your profile QR code will appear. And then tap the scanner icon in the top right corner, then point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer. And then after the code is scanned, TikTok will ask you to confirm the login and then tap confirm and your TikTok account will be automatically open on the website. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.